Every year on the winter solstice, I like to do something small but hopeful. Today, I thought I'd be the one planting seeds, but my little one decided he wanted to do it too. Not by tossing them, but by digging holes and carefully tucking them into the earth. So we wandered the land together. No plan and no rush, just planting something for the future. Being with family, connecting, laughing, sharing the love. Today is the winter solstice, which means the longest night of the year and the shortest day. I like to mark this day with a small, intentional something special. And this year, what I'm going to be doing is I'm putting milkweed balls around my fruit trees. And so I'm not going to see the benefits of this until the spring, but just knowing that they're here waiting in the dark as the sun starts to shine itself more and more is just, I think it's a good thing to do. These are milkweed seed balls, and it's made of clay and compost, and inside of each one is a little pocket filled with milkweed plant seeds. And I'm not intentional with these very much. I just kind of toss them below where the fruit trees are, and then when it's time, when the spring rains and the snow melts, all the clay and the compost kind of dissolves away, and the seeds sink into the ground, and then there we go, I've got milkweed ready to grow. To me, it feels like planting hope in the dark. Planting seeds on the winter solstice feels like an act of trust. Nothing changes right away, but everything begins. Stay blessed.